In our gospel today, people sought healing from Jesus. Madali pa nga silang maghanap ng mga may sakit para ilagay sa daraanan niya. At umasang mahawakan man lang ang tassel sa cloak ni Jesus. At sabi sa atin na kung sino nga ang makahawak niyon ay gagaling. Perhaps we may wonder if it was magic. Tayo pa naman mga Pilipino ay mahilig humawak sa mga santo as a gesture of our veneration. We know that we are not asking for magic, but we express our faith and put our hope and trust that God will grant us integral healing. Let our touch establish an intimate relationship with the Lord. Higit sa nais natin mahawakan si Jesus, mas higit ang kagustuhan niya to touch our lives by being like us. Let us keep in touch with Jesus and be consoled with the immensity of His healing touch in our lives. G ka ba?